Okay, so these are the two questions that came in 2025 for the GCEs. This one came in paper 1, this one came in paper 2. So I want to answer these questions so that you get to have the perfect understanding. So I'll say solutions. Even as we get to answer these questions together, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel. First question, find the integral of that. In other words, you are told to integrate. You are dealing with integrals without limits. There are no numbers there. But each time you've got integrals with limits, maybe there is 1 there and maybe they put -1 there. Then you've got something like 2x squared minus 1 like this. Then they say dx. These integrals get to have limits, so they get to have a perfect way of answering them. This one you just need to go direct, so that is question number 1. You just say y is equal to, so you've got 3x raised to the power 3. You just add plus 1. Then what is on top comes down. So you've got 3 plus 1. The 3 plus 1 should come down. Then plus, that is 4x, meaning it is raised to the power 1. You say plus 1, everything on top will come down. 1 plus 1. Since we are dealing with the integrals without limits, you say plus a constant c. This is just the same as this is equal to 3 over 4. Then we've got x to the power 4 plus 4 over, this is 2, x raised to the power 2 plus c, which is a constant. You can now finish this and say, therefore now, y is equal to, this is 3 over what? Over 4 will be maintained, x to the power 4. Then this 2 can go into 4. 2 into 4, it is 2. So plus 2x squared plus a c, which is a constant. So this is the answer, and this is how you are supposed to answer these particular questions, just like this. So this is how you need to be answering even questions that will be coming in your exams, just like this. I guess you've seen how I've answered it, and this is how you are supposed to answer it. This was paper 1. We go now to this one that came in paper 2. The question was saying, find the equation of the tangent to the curve. This is a particular curve. Whenever you are taught to find the equation of the tangent or the equation of the normal, the first thing that you need to do is to differentiate the given equation. So you get this one, we are differentiating y with respect to x. So what do we say? dy dx, which is equal to, under differentiation, we multiply power times a coefficient. A coefficient is a number standing with a letter. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then x will be maintained. The power that is given, you subtract 1. You say minus 1. Continue, minus 2 times 5. You get 10. Then x will be maintained. The power there, you say minus 1. This one is raised to the power 1. So 1 times 8, that is 8. Then x, 1, we say minus 1. Under differentiation, I guess you are able to see what is here. This is 1 plus 1. There is just a torchlight from my phone. I guess it is not disturbing any one of you. You don't differentiate a constant number. You just leave it like that. So this thing you are able to see, dy dx, it is just the same as gradient. So gradient is equal to 3x squared minus 10x. 1 minus 1, it is 0. We are going to have x power 0. You know and understand that anything less to the power 0, it is 1. So just same as 8 times 1, that is 8. So there we get 8. Then we are given here that x is equal to 1. So the first thing is to find the gradient. This is the reason why I've put m there. You find the gradient, which is equal to, where there is x, you shall put 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 squared minus 10 multiplied by 1 plus 8. This is now equal to, gradient is now equal to what? This is 3 minus 7, 3 minus, this is 10. 3 minus 10, that is what? Negative 7. Plus 8, we are getting 1. So the gradient is 1. That is our gradient. After finding the gradient 1, since we are given only the value for x, we need to know the value for y. What do? You get the original equation, then where there is x, put 1, so that you find a pair. We need to have a coordinate. We've got 1, comma. Now what is the value for y? We don't know. What do? We substitute. Y is equal to, where there is x, you put 1. So 1 cubed minus 5. I'm getting this one. Then where there is x, I'm just putting a 1. 1 squared plus 8, 1, then minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to what? I get my calculator. This is the same as 1 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. What answer are we getting? What is our answer there? The answer I'm getting is 0. Because 1 minus this 4 that you are able to see here, that is what? Negative 4. Negative 4 plus 8, that is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So y is 0. I put a 0 there, so y it is 0. I found the value for y that I was looking for. Now I can now go and use the general equation of all straight line, which is like this. Y minus y1 is equal to m gradient, open bracket, x minus x1. This is a particular formula that you need to use. This one, this is x1. This one, this is y1. So we say y minus, what is y1? 0, which is equal to gradient 1, open bracket, x minus. What is x1? It is just 1, like this. So this is now equal to what? This is the same as y is equal to x minus 1. So meaning that this one that we found here, this is now what we are calling what? The equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the what? Equation of the tangent. So this is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the what? Equation of the tangent. This is how you are supposed to be answering each question that you get to find in an exam. Have you seen the way in which I've answered this? This is how you need to be answering, as simple as this. So if there is one that is interested in starting your tuitions with me, you can get this number. I've said tuitions, people get to text with questions, then they get to be disappointed. I've said if you want to be part of the people that I'm helping online at an affordable fee, you can WhatsApp me on this number that I've written here. Mathematics, it's only 100 kwacha. So if you want one subject, it is only 100 kwacha. I help you get a distinction. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe to this particular channel or page. Thank you.